All right, here's an interesting SAT algebra problem. It says the table above gives the typical amounts of energy per gram expressed in both food calories and kilojoules of the 3 macronutrients in food. If the 180 food calories in a granola bar comes entirely from P grams of protein, F grams of fat, and C grams of carbohydrates, which of the following expresses F, so grams of fat, in terms of P and C? So this table right here is super useful because it basically gives you like a ratio to build off of. So if you wanted to write an equation here, which we're going to do just for the general basic equation, before we rearrange everything in terms of in terms of P and C for F. So we're going to write 180 equals, because that 180 food calories is going to come entirely from protein, fat, and carbohydrates. So we know that for every, say, 9 food calories of fat, we're always going to have a ratio of 4 grams of protein and 4 grams of carbohydrates. So in this case, we can just write a generic formula here. So if we're looking at proteins, we can just write this as 4P, and then we're going to add 9F, and then that ratio holds true for, if I can write my F's, that ratio holds true for the carbohydrates, so that's going to be 4C. So now what we need to do is just get to rearranging this equation using some algebra to express F in terms of P and C. So we're going to subtract 4P and 4C from both sides. So we get 180 minus 4P minus 4C equals 9F. And then we're going to divide both sides by 9. So we get 20 minus 4/9 P minus 4/9 C equals F. And what we can do here is actually factor out a negative 4/9, because the negative 4/9 is in both P and C. So we can write this as negative 4/9 multiplied by P plus C equals F. And so now that's our final equation. We have expressed F isolated in terms of P and C. So if we look in our answer choices, our equation right here is going to line up with answer choice B, and that is our answer.